A very good morning to everybody. Now, in this lecture, I'll just discuss the editorial page of the Indian Express. Now, कोई भी आप newspaper पढ़ते हो, it doesn't matter because ultimately the most important news is always covered in all the newspapers, whether it be the Hindu or the Indian Express. See, newspaper analyze करने वाले तो बहुत हैं वैसे, it's YouTube पे कोई कमी तो है नहीं उस चीज़ की. But what my approach will be, along with discussing the question paper, along with discussing the editorial page of the Indian Express, I'll try to relate it with the syllabus. जो भी syllabus में है यूपीएससी के, यूपीएससी सीएससी, उससे हम टैली करके देखेंगे कि exactly whether this article is relevant for the syllabus or not, and then इस particular article पे क्या question बन सकता है. Because बिना किसी preparation के या बिना इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखे हुए अगर आप ऐसे ही बस न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हैं तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. Now the most important thing and the most interesting thing is this section where they always give a quotation, and today's quotation is from the recent Booker Prize winning author. If a liar tells you he's lying, he's telling the truth. इस तरीके का आपने quote बहुत बार तो सुना नहीं होगा, but this is worth quoting. Now the first article is on Bilkis Bano. Now newspaper में आपने तो पढ़ा ही होगा that the convicts in the Bilkis Bano case have been freed, and there is a uproar. मतलब every sensible person is saying that इनको किस ground पे आपने छोड़ दिया, and all of these 11 people have been freed from prison. So in this article the writer is basically criticizing the government as to what the government's aim is. और यहाँ पे इन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी का इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पीच जो था, in that मोदी जी said that can we not pledge to get rid of everything in our behavior, culture and everyday life that humiliates and demeans women. ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात कही थी उन्होंने, but the recent decision of the central government along with the Gujarat government is something which is contrary to this. So सिर्फ बोल के क्या फायदा अगर आप कुछ और ही कर रहे हैं तो. बट आई एम श्योर द गवर्नमेंट, द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल टेक नोट ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज सी यू कैनॉट ब्लेम एवरीथिंग ऑन द पीएमओ और द प्राइम मिनिस्टर बिकॉज एवरी डिसीजन इज नॉट डायरेक्टली टेकन बाय हिम. बट यस, इतना कह सकते हैं दैट आफ्टर दिस अप्रोर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट along with the Gujarat government should reconsider its decision of freeing the convicts in the Bilkis Bano case, because as this article indicates that these are not under trials and these are not merely accused people, मतलब जिनको समझा जाता है that innocent till the time proven guilty. Of course even under trials and those people who are accused of something have this right that innocent till the time proven guilty. These people were convicted, 14 साल के लिए इन लोगों को सजा हुई है, and then after that they have been remitted for good conduct in jail. Now first of all you should try and understand the heinous crime that has been committed. Now 11 of these men, as this editorial points out, 11 men convicted of gang raping a pregnant Bilkis Bano and murdering 14 members of her family including her 3-year-old daughter. Now just tell me, इससे ज्यादा brutal और क्या हो सकता है, इससे ज्यादा heinous और क्या हो सकता है, and that too जब सब कुछ एविडेंस के बाद, कोर्ट में गवाही के बाद सारा कुछ प्रूव हो गया, कन्विक्ट हो गए, आफ्टर दैट यू आर सेटिंग देम फ्री. सो एज अ फ्यूचर सिविल सर्वेंट और एस्पिरेंट of civil services, what you should do is take a balanced view. Do not take a one-sided opinion because ultimately you are going to join the civil services. So you should take a balanced approach. पहली बात तो ये that you cannot attribute any decision or every decision to the prime minister's office. हर चीज तो डायरेक्टली करते नहीं होंगे वो लोग. But now that there has been so much of media coverage by the media, especially जो बड़े newspaper हैं, even they have covered it, or even these people, the Indian Express editorial group, इन लोगों ने भी साफ साफ बोला है that this is not a matter of opinion कि हाँ some people think they are innocent, some people think they are guilty. वो नहीं है. This is something which is proven. So now the PMO along with the Prime Minister and the central government along with the Gujarat government should take note of this and see there can be mistakes which government can make, but the point is if the government realizes that some mistake has been made in freeing these convicted people, then they should reconsider their decision. Because after all, चाहे वो बीजेपी हो, चाहे वो कांग्रेस हो या आम आदमी पार्टी हो या कोई भी पार्टी हो, everybody wants rule of law, and I think every sensible man, not just women but every sensible man would want the dignity of women to be respected. So अगर आप यूपीएससी में सवाल ऐसा कुछ सवाल आए, then this is the kind of answer that you should write, a balanced answer, not blaming it on the central government government or any party, but write a balanced view and ultimately, let's hope for the best. And yes, as I said that, आपको यूपीएससी के सिलेबस को हमेशा ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. You can't just go on doing anything without keeping that in mind. So definitely keep the syllabus of UPSC in mind. And इस पे case study आ सकता है. So you should know the ethical considerations, the moral considerations, the legal considerations, the legal ground, and India is a country where women are given the status of Durga. मतलब दुर्गा का दर्जा दिया जाता है, और जिस देश में दुर्गा का दर्जा दिया जाता है उस देश में इस तरीके की मिस्टेक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर मिस्टेक हुई है then it should be corrected. Okay, so फ्रॉम एन एथिक्स या पेपर 4 के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इस पे एथिक्स पे सवाल बन सकता है. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. नाउ नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल इज प्योरली इकोनॉमिक. द आर्ग्यूमेंट विद इन दिस इज बेसिकली MPC members differ on future course of action, signaling that RBI's rate hike cycle may be nearing its end. Now this is just about controlling inflation. So from an economics point of view, let's say UPSC के prelims में question बन सकता है, right? You should know the difference between monetary policy and fiscal policy. They can ask you which is better in controlling inflation. So this is something which you should know. Of course, अगर आप ये जानने की कोशिश करो that which is better, the best answer is, there has to be a combination of both. One let's say measure is not enough, whether it be fiscal policy or whether it be monetary policy. Just hiking interest rates is not enough to control inflation. And of course, macroeconomic picture has to be kept in mind, because ultimately the inflation that is going on in the world, even in India, it is in part because of the Ukraine war के वजह से ही volatility हो रही है. Fuel prices are going up, then commodities, especially food, wheat, these things are seeing fluctuation in their price, and not just price but inflation because of the Ukraine war. So RBI cannot alone tackle monetary policy. So अगर आप syllabus देखोगे UPSC का, now if you see the third GS paper में अगर आप देखोगे, then there is something about government budgeting, there is about Indian economy. So this is something which you should ideally do. Okay, मतलब ये कि what is the difference between monetary policy, fiscal policy. उसके बाद they might ask you about MPC. Now इसके बाद चलते हैं अगले आर्टिकल पे. Now next is an article on Snehan Karuna Tilaka. Okay, basically he is from Sri Lanka, and he has won the Booker Prize this time. So इस पे सिविल सर्विसेज के प्रीलिम्स में क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, राइट? और सेकंड ये आपको जानना चाहिए that what is the criterion that is used to award the Booker Prize. Because if you see, Booker Prize is given to the Commonwealth people, right? And then in America there is the Pulitzer Prize. This is not given to Commonwealth people, ठीक है? So they might ask you the difference between Booker Prize and Pulitzer Prize in terms of criterion that is used to award. So ये prelims के point of view से question बन सकता है. Otherwise, for other government exams, yes, they can ask a straight question: who won the Booker Prize in 2021, 2022? So कम से कम ये तो आप देख ही लेना. When you read the newspaper, at least you should note down these things.